Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Aternos server lag. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. The first thing you're going to do is to go ahead on the left side and click on the button that says Options. Once you click on Options, you're going to scroll down until you see the time zone. And you're going to make sure that you're going to select the time zone that is actually closest to you. In case you're in Europe or in the United States, you're going to make sure that it is right set. Then from here, you're going to go and click on the button that says software right here. Once you go to the software, you're going to make sure to install paper/bucket. And this is going to be the version that helps you to play smoothly. So just simply select the latest version or whichever version that you might prefer, but the latest one is always the best optimized one. So simply from here, just click on install or reinstall in case you have done it before. And then from here, going to click on yes. Once you have the check mark done, then you're going to go right here and go to search for plugins right there. And now we're going to download two plugins. The first one is going to be called Fast Chunk. As you can see, Fast Chunk, and it's going to be right here. You're going to click on it. And from here, just going to install the latest version. Once that is downloaded, you're going to go back to your plugins. Then you're going to search for the second plugin, which is called Clear Lag. As you can see, there's a few options, so make sure that you select the one that says made by modrinth.com. This is the best one. Then from here, you're going to just install the one that is optimized for your server, so just this one. Now finally, you're going to click on Files, and then go ahead and click on Server Properties. And now from here, there are a few settings that you can change. So slots, if you and your friends are playing, for example, only 5 people, then you won't need that many, just make sure that's set to 5 only. Now from here, you can also just change some of the settings where you can just go and change the view distance. Now you can make it so that the default is 5, or you can lower it down even more, and that will help to make it less laggy. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.